In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add button to Webflow. Let's jump right in on the designer canvas. Start by opening your project so you're looking at the page where you want the new button to appear. On the left side, open the Add panel and expand the basic section. From here, choose the button element and place it exactly where you need it on the canvas. If the basic section is collapsed, just click to reveal it. Then select Button again to confirm you've got the right element in focus. With the button selected, it's time to set what it does. Head to the settings for the element and locate the link options. Choose the destination type that fits your use case. This could be a page within your site, an external URL, a section on the current page, or a contact method like email or phone. As you click through these link types, you'll notice the input field adapts to what you've chosen, which helps you add the correct target without guesswork. If you want the link to open in a new browser tab, toggle the Open in New tab setting. This is especially useful for external sites or resources you don't want to replace your current page. Next, click Show All Settings to reveal advanced link behavior. You'll see options for Default, Prefetch, and Prerender. Default leaves the link as is, which is perfectly fine for most buttons. Prefetch tells the browser to quietly fetch the next page in the background after the current page loads, which can speed up perceived navigation for likely next clicks. Prerender goes a step further by rendering the next page in the background, making the transition feel almost instant, but it can use more resources. Feel free to click through each option to understand them visually, then leave the one that best matches your performance goals. Now let's make the button look right. Switch to the Style tab to adjust typography, colors, spacing, and corner radius. While you're here, set hover and pressed states so the button feels responsive. If you need to double-check your link details, jump over to the Settings tab. And if you want subtle micro-interactions, open the Interactions tab to add a smooth hover animation or a gentle press effect. When everything looks and behaves the way you want, publish your changes. Click Publish,